guys, you can see how beautiful, how colorful it is. Oh my gosh, guys, try out this recipe. This is the butter on it. I use a margarine butter, so I don't want. So guys, first of all, I have to take my morning coffee. Guys, I have to take my morning coffee. As you know, I love coffee. I love coffee. Come and take morning coffee with me. Come and take morning coffee with me. Hello everyone, happy 2021 guys. Good morning. Thank God we made it into 2021 guys. It's not easy. We have to buckle up this year. By the special grace of God, we will see the end of 2021. 2021 will never see our end in the name of Jesus. Happy 2021 guys. Yes guys, today is going to be a kitchen day. It's celebration time. Today is going to be a kitchen day guys. Let me take you a natural brown sugar. Wow, that's nice. So guys, as you can see my chicken, I have a chicken in there. I have a turkey. This is it. The chicken is full because I'm going to be baking it. So I have my ingredients in already. So guys, when you are boiling a meat, any type of meat at all, don't use water to boil meat at the first place. When I see some video that they are putting in water to boil meat, that meat is not going to give you a sweet taste because of the water. The meat on its own already have water in there. Put your spices in. I have garlic in there. I have spring onion. I have scotch bonnet. I have everything spices to jumbo or purpose seasoning. I have my mango cube. I have my, there is another one here we call cuore in Italy. Let me show it to you so that it will not look as if you guys are not seeing what I'm trying to. Easy now, you can see it. So I use it also as part of my seasoning. So guys, you can see my chicken now. You can see that it has water inside. That is the reason why I say it's not good for you to put water to boil meat. If not, you are not going to get the taste. You can see now the water on it. You can see the water on it guys. So I'm just pre-boiling it now. Less than 5 minutes, I'm going to drop it down and put it into a filter for the chicken to dry up before I put it inside the oven. So with the oven, I'm still going to show you how I process the oven part. So guys, you can see it's so tasty out. So I'm taking it down now. So guys, this is my rice. I'm using a basmati rice to prepare this recipe. It's going to be a baked rice, guys. So I'm using it. So guys, you can see the chicken, the turkey stock here. So this is what I'll be using to pre-boil my rice. So this is it. This is the chicken. You can see there. The turkey is here also. So you can see it's really bringing out smoke. So guys, I've washed my pre-boiled rice. As you can see, I have some scotch bonnet, the green one and the red one, just to spice it up, guys. So I'm going to allow the water under it to dry before I will apply my turkey stock water in there. So that is how to cook a baked rice. We are not going to be frying rice every time. Not going to be frying. This is a baked rice. So you can see the scotch bonnet. I have 4 pieces I cut in there. So I have my broccoli. I just pre-boiled my broccoli now. So I'm just going to allow it to dry for some minutes. Okay guys, as you can see on top of it, I add my ginger and I add my garlic. I didn't use a ginger powder. I used a fresh ginger on this recipe. So I'm going to be adding my stock water in there. I'm not going to put everything. As you can see, it's much because I don't want the rice to overcooked. So if it's not enough, I'm going to be adding to it gradually. So I don't want the rice to be too soft. So right there, I'm going to be adding other spices, such like all-purpose seasoning, jumbo, and Maggi stock. Other recipes now, other spices now, guys. I'm going to be adding it, and I will show it. So guys, this is the jumbo I'm using. You can see it all-purpose jumbo aroma all-purpose. So I'm going to be adding 2 spoons to it because the rice is much. Adding a rosemary just to give it that beautiful aroma, guys, to eat now. So guys, this is my curry powder. powder. You add everything before you stir it up. 2 spoons of jumbo powder, all-purpose jumbo powder. So I'm going to be adding some other aroma. So guys, I'm going to be adding this Maggi aroma, just a little, to give it a nice aroma. Don't put much, just a little. So now guys, you can stir the rice together. Do not add salt yet. Do not add salt yet, because of the stock and all the spices you put in there, so that it's not going to be much salt. That is if it's necessary. So guys, I have this dessert here. I'm not going to fry it. I'm just going to put it in there. I've already pre-boiled it along with the turkey I pre-boiled before. So guys, you might not be seeing my face, but the most important is for you to see what I'm going to do here. As you can see, I heat this tray for some minutes now. So I'm going to be applying the butter on the tray before I put in my turkey. Okay guys, now I'm going to be adding my chicken. As you can see, I have to put it down. So I add the turkey along with it, guys. Frying. For those of us who is under diet, this is very important for us. It's going to help our diet, because it's not fried. Nothing fry. So guys, you can see I'm putting the butter in. I'm using is a low fat butter. It's a low fat butter. You know, we have different type of butter. This is a low fat butter. I don't use that heavy butter at all. I have to wash my hands because of the butter I touched. So guys, you can see the turkey in there. I use butter to bake my turkey. I use butter. So let me bring it out for you guys to see it properly, so you can see. So guys, we are going to check our rice now. We are going to check our rice. So guys, I didn't add salt because it was perfectly okay. I only add a Maggi cube, so it's perfect. I'm going to be adding some onion. I still have other onion, the spring onions, to add in there. So I'm going to add more onion. Guys, you need to check this recipe. You need to check this recipe. I'm not a caterer, but if you invite me for one, I will perform greatly. I will done, not fully done, it's half done. So I'm going to bring it down now and dish it out. So guys, I added the butter. Into this dish and putting it before putting it into the oven. So you have to add the butter because we are not going to be frying the veg. So that butter will now help us as the oil we are supposed to put in there. So I'm not using oil. With the little oil on the turkey stock I use is enough. It's enough. This recipe doesn't need much of oil. So I'm just going to turn it now because of the butter inside the pan, or whatever that is helpful for you. You can use a dish, oven dish plate. So but me, I decided to use this disposable dish. So I know I was going to cook lunch. So all my veg, as you can see, I have up to 5 veg here. I have my zucchini. I don't know the English name, guys. I pronounce it in the Italian way, so I have to Google that. So I'm just going to add a little to it. So the carrots, this is how I slice the carrots I use for this recipe. I have my bell pepper. This is how I slice it also. Guys, you can just see it. See it, guys. See the way it is now. You can see all the veg I add in. So I'm going to be mixing it up because I'm still going to add to it my chicken in the oven. So but I'm going to be chipping in some cooking on my channel, guys. Not much, little guys, pre-boil. So I'm going to cover it up so that everything will cook in there. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks so much.